Iya jebol, kami jebol. Woi. Woi, banjir, banjir. Naik, 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 naik. Ah, motor gua ya Allah, motor gua. Apa itu? Woi, naik Gede. Aduh, motor gua.
Several regions in Indonesia are currently under a state of emergency due to natural disasters. Today, Tuesday, March 4th, 2025, floods reaching 3 to 4 meters high, said to be the worst in recent years, have hit the city of Bekasi, West Java province. Heavy rainfall caused the Bekasi River to overflow into residential areas, worsened by additional water flow from the Shikias and Siliongsi rivers, leading to flash floods in Bekasi and its surroundings.
Ya Allah.
Masih di masjid Gede.
Amateur video footage shows how the flood caused a levee to collapse, with the rushing water then crashing into the walls of the giant Mega Bekasi shopping center. Like a tsunami, the flood began to enter the building. Shoppers were seen running to the upper floors to save themselves. Bekasi Mayor Tri Adianto stated that Bekasi was paralyzed by today's disaster.
Mana Sat? Kondisi terupdate, Mbah. Mobil, Mbah. Rendam semua, Mbah. Nggak ada yang tersisa.
The Bekasi City Regional Disaster Management Agency, BPBD, recorded that several sub-districts were affected by the floods, including East Bekasi, North Bekasi, South Bekasi, Medan Satria, Jatiasih, Sibarusa, Serang Baru, Satu, North Cikarang, Sibatang, North Tambun, and Rawlumbu. Hundreds of houses were submerged, and more than 16,000 residents have been displaced.
Galaksi banjir, guys, banjir.
Mobil nekat merobos banjir, akhirnya terjebak satu unit depan Galaksi bola dunia. Satu unit terjebak banjir.
Several residential areas in Bekasi were inundated by 3-meter-high floods, including Pekayon Jaya, Nusa Indah 2, Pondok Mitra Lestari, and Pondok Gede Permai in Jatiasih Sub-District. Meanwhile, dozens of cars in the Grand Galaxy City commercial area were submerged. Car owners could do nothing as they had no time to move their vehicles.
The high rainfall also overwhelmed the Kachalampa Dam in Bogor, causing water from the Siliwang River to flood parts of East Jakarta, including Selilitan and Kalibata. The floodwaters, reaching rooftop level, forced SAR teams, Basarnas, and joint volunteers to evacuate affected residents using rubber boats.